everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Kirtana, currently pursuing my BE in Electronics and Communication at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today, in this video, I am here with the course Social Connect and Responsibility, and the course code is BSCK307. So now let's look into the contents of the today's video. The first one is plantation and adaptation of a tree. The second one, heritage walk and crafts corner. Third, organic farming and waste management. Fourth one, water conservation. And the last one is food walk. Before looking into this information, let's look into the course outcomes. At the end of the course, we'll be able to learn the first course outcome is communicate and connect to the surrounding. The second one, create a responsible connection with the society. Course outcome 3, involve in the community in general in which they work. CO4 is notice the needs and problems of the community and involve them in problem solving. Course outcome 5, develop among themselves a sense of social and civic responsibility and utilize their knowledge in finding practical solutions to individual and community problems. The last course outcome is develop competence required for group living and sharing of responsibilities and gain skills in mobilizing community participation to acquire leadership qualities and democratic attitudes. Now, let's look into the first part, that is plantation and adaptation of a tree. As a part of this module, I have taken a fenugreek seeds and sown it in a pot. As a result, I've got a beautiful output of this seed as attached here in the figure. Fenugreek, commonly called as methi, commonly called as methi, is a spice used as a spice. Native to the southern Europe and the Mediterranean region, fenugreek is cultivated in Central and Southern Eastern Europe, Western Asia, India, and Northern Africa. We can see all the types of herbs and spices there. Overview of the plantation is they belong to the family Fabaceae. They are native to southern Europe and Asia. The plant is semi-arid crop and cultivated worldwide because of the use of leaves and seeds in food. The plants can grow up to the height of 20 to 30 centimeter. The leaves are commonly added in food. The leaves consist of three small oblong called as leaflets. Looking into the special features, the plant is used as a herb, spice as well as vegetable. The leaves are consumed as a vegetable or dried and added to food to enhance the flavor. Looking into the usage and advantages of methi, it is helpful in balancing cholesterol and sugar level. It is used in smoothing stomach ailments and red muscle pain, can reduce menstrual pain, fever, aid weight loss, reduce appetite, helps in hair growth. The seeds are either ground or added as a whole to food. In the attached figure, we can see the germination of the seed from the stage 1 to the last stage. Methi can be grown and maintained in pots and terrace or balconies too. The soil for this should be a well-drained, fertile, rich soil. If you are growing in your soil, mix compost in the soil to make it fertile. Light. The preferred direct sunlight. 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight will be good for healthy crop. Watering. They are drought resistant once grown and established. However, the plants can be watered when the soil is dry. Burning. The plants can be burned and the tips can be pinched off to prevent the falling or the flowering of the plants. This helps to extending the lifespan of the plants. Fertilizer. Any fertilizer or compost can be added before planting the seed. Looking into the next part, that is Heritage Walk and Crafts Corner. A heritage walk is a guided tour that makes participants through historical sites, landmarks, and culturally significant areas of a city or a town. These walks are designed to educate and immerse individual in the rich history, architecture, and traditions of a particular place. As a part of Heritage Walk, I visited Antaragange Hills. Heritage walks are a great way to create awareness among the residents about their heritage. It also enables them to connect it with more initiative manner to preserve the rich heritage of the city. Due to Heritage Walk, local communities are getting livelihood which are creating employment opportunities to the local members. Here in the attached figure we can see the Kashi Vishveshwara temple. Antaragange, also known as Antaragange, is a mountain situated on Shatasuranga mountain range in the southern part of the Indian state of Karnataka, Kolar district. Antaragange literally means Gange in Kannada. It is about 2 miles from the town of Kolar and 70 kilometers from Bangalore. Antaragange is famous for Sri Kashi Vishveshwara temple, also known as Kashi of South. The temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. In the temple is a proud pond which gets continuous flow of underground water from the mouth of Basava Stone Hill. It is believed that drinking water from the pond cleanses one from many diseases. Way to Antaragange caves is a steep and narrow path included behind the temple to the top of the mountain. The caves are 3 to 4 kilometers from the temple. There are 7 villages on this mountain, including Tirhalli. The mountain consists of granite hills, rocks, and lot of caves around. Trekking in and around caves is popular here. For those seeking a quick escape from the housing bustling city of the Bangalore, Antaragange caves are conveniently situated approximately 70 kilometers from Bangalore. This proximity makes it an ideal weekend getaway for city dwellers, allowing them to experience the wonders of nature without the hassle of a long journey. Antaragange trekking. The real adventure begins with the Antaragange trekking experience. As you ascend the rocky terrain, you will be greeted by a breathtaking view of the surrounding landscape. The trek offers various levels of difficulty, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned trekkers. The caves are the ultimate reward for your efforts, as they offer an awe inspiring glimpse into the Earth's natural formations. Antaragange Trek Point. The trek point of the Antaragange caves commences at Kolar, Karnataka, which is also base point for the journey. The trail is marked by rocky pathways and a series of stone steps that lead you to the hidden gem of the region, the Antaragange caves. Looking into the third part, organic farming. As a part of organic farming, we visited Krishi Mela held at GKVK to learn more about organic farming which was grown there and taken initiative to educate the local people. Organic farming sustainable agricultural system that uses ecologically based pest controls and biological fertilizers derived largely from animal and plant waste and nitrogen fixing cover crops. Modern organic farming was developed as a response to the environmental harm caused by the use of chemical pesticides and synthetic fertilizers. in conventional agriculture, and it has numerous ecological benefits. Organic farming can be defined as an agricultural process that uses biological fertilizers and pest control acquired from animal or plant waste. Organic farming was actually initiated as an answer to the environmental sufferings caused by the use of chemical pesticides and synthetic fertilizers. Here in the attached figure, we can observe the growth of plants grown using organic farming method. Benefits of organic farming: reduced use of harmful pesticides, healthier soil, cleaner water, lower non renewable energy use, sustained biodiversity, environment friendly and sustainable, healthy and tasty food, inexpensive process, income generation. Organic farming is a sustainable and ecologically balanced approach to agriculture. It involves cultivating crops and raising livestock in a way that is in harmony with nature. Organic farming is a closed loop system that recycles resources and maintains a dynamic equilibrium within the ecosystem. It demonstrates a profound respect for the interconnectedness of all elements in agriculture. It is not simply a return to ancient practices but rather a forward looking solution that addresses the pressing challenge of modern agriculture. Looking into the next part of our content is water conservation. Water conservation aims to sustainably manage the natural resource of fresh water, protect the hydrosphere, and meet current and future human demand. Water conservation makes it possible to avoid water scarcity. It covers all the policy strategies and activities to reach these aims. Population, household size and growth, and affluence all affect how much water is used. Technology solutions exist for households, commercial, and agricultural applications to reduce the water. Conservation programs involved in social solutions are typically initiated at the local level by either municipal water utilities or regional governments. As a part of water conservation, we visited our college wastewater treatment. The importance of water conservation is ensuring a sustainable supply of fresh water for present and future generation, promoting public health, reducing energy consumption, supporting ecological balance by minimizing the impacts of water scarcity on natural habitats, preventing climate change and its effect, meeting everyday needs such as drinking, cleaning, and washing. Coming to the last part of our content is the food walk. A food walk is an outdoor adventure in which people walk from one food destination to another, visiting numerous restaurants, pubs, and food trucks in the process. It is an increasingly popular way to socialize and experience different flavors and cultures in a single day. As the trend of food walks continues to grow, so do the varieties of food walks offered. Depending on the region, food walks may focus on specialty items, cultural cuisine, regional dishes, or even farm to table fare. As a part of food walk, we visited Agape Children's Center, trying to mingle with them friendly and providing them the basic needs which we can offer. Some of the benefits of participating in food walk include exploring new and exotic cuisines, getting a better understanding of a city's culture, discovering the history behind local dishes, meeting like-minded food lovers. They offer unique experience. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.